Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. We in grade naught have been learning about insects and mini beasts at school. So we thought about how we could incorporate that into our assembly this week. So we came together and we came up with the idea that we would talk about creating insects that could help the world. Because there's a lot of things going on in the world at the moment that the world could do with some help. So we had a little think and we came up with our own insects that are going to help the world. So have a listen to what grade naught M thinks the world needs. Enjoy, boys.
Bless me, Lord, at school today. Make me glad to learn. Keep me gentle when I play. Make me wait my turn. Keep me quick to hear and see. Kind in all I do. Bless the one who teaches me and my classmates too. Amen.
My insect is called a scorpion, and it spits out money, and it gives the money to the poor, and the poor can buy something. My bug's called a ladybug, and it's called to live in the entire world. My one's Mike, because it eats plastic and it poops out fertilizer, so it will help trees grow and plants and flowers. Good morning, class. This bug's name is the paper eating bug, and this bug zaps corona with its farts. My insect is called Taffy. Taffy eats rubbish, and it pulls out more trees for more oxygen. My insect is called the fly trap, and if it stings, it makes you turn in a good person. My insect came from the bottom of Antarctica, and it eats the fish from the bottom of Antarctica, and it farts out water to make it rain so it can grow the trees. This is a fly beetle, and when it eats grass, it makes the world a better place. This is my chef ladybird, and it always cooks for the hungry people who are very poor. And also, it has two stingers that sucks the coronavirus inside its body, so the coronavirus could be gone forever. My insect is named Daddy Longlegs. He stays in one place, but he can also move his arms around the world and pick up litter. My bug is called the bug beast, and it can fly to all the oceans in the world, and it can suck all the pollution. Hello, my animal is called Sucker, and he sucks up all the glitter and puts it in the void. Mine is a dragonfly, and they can also go to factories and eat all the bad things and turn it into oxygen. Okay, my insect is a centipede, and it can spit out money, and it can find poor, and it can spit out money hundreds. My insect is called the fly, and it can spit out sanitizer, and it can also shoot out things for corona. This is the sting. If you get sting, you'll be rich. My insect is called the sanitizer. It poops out sanitizer, and it vomits out things to kill the corona. My insect is called a bat sucker, and it's going to suck all the coronavirus from the sick people.
Okay, boys. So, boys who have birthdays this coming week are Zohair the Merchant, Manan Mystery, Ross to Blanche, Patrick Jewel, Zayan Khan, Mohammed Musa, Alex Bernstein, and Alex Monroe. Let's sing happy birthday to those boys. Guys, let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Come on, Mama, let's be happy.
Happy birthday,
Dear friends.
Happy birthday
to you. Okay, now we're going to move on to giving out certificates. So, what is the yellow house, guys? Yeah. So, boys in Benavia who are getting certificates for perseverance in all his classwork. Rex Wellstead, well done, Rex. For his wonderful manners and always being kind to others, William Dixon Smith. For always completing all stations with a positive attitude towards his work, Daniel Dimitri Karp. For all the effort he's put into his handwriting, Moyabo Mohale. And for an eagerness and commitment shown towards his learning, Zayad Mohammed. For his enthusiastic approach to our learning about mini beasts, Ziggy O'Hanlon. Let's give those Benavia boys a clap. Okay, next we have boys in the red house. What's that? Galahad. For the effort he has put into learning his 2 times table, Africa Willemse. For perseverance with the sight word acquisition, Tari Wodibe. For diligence and discipline with his work, Mohammed Essa. For improved participation in class discussion, William Marley. Let's give those boys a clap. Okay, and now we're moving on to the blue house, guys. For his wonderful and creative spelling sentences, Bennett Kohler. For diligence towards all his daily tasks, Rayan Vadia. For a mature approach to task, Matthew Pizzaris. And for always giving his best both inside and outside of the classroom, Zingera Matenga. Let's give him a clap. Okay, then last but not least, what house haven't we done yet? Tristram. What colour is Tristram? Green. For his enthusiasm for our theme, mini beasts, Halon Kanisa. Let's give him a clap. Okay, thanks, Tina.
Dear God, please make everyone realize no matter how big or small you are, you can make a difference in the world. The world needs everyone to start making a change. Amen.